Hi everyone, this is Dr. N. Pothanna, Associate Professor of Mathematics, VNR VIGNANA JYOTHI Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. In continuation to the previous topic, evaluation of integrals. In the previous topic, I have discussed about how to evaluate some standard integrals like integration of sine square x dx, integration of cos square x dx. Okay, those type of integrals are very much useful in other concepts like vector integral calculus, evaluation of integrals like integration of sine square x dx and integration of cos square x dx. These two evaluation of integrals are very much useful. So in the previous topics, how to evaluate these type of integrals I have discussed. Not only this, so there are many integrals are there, many integral examples are there. So indefinite integrals, definite integrals evaluations are there. So suppose to evaluate the integrals which are in the form of some e power ax into sin bx, e power ax into cos bx, those type of integrals also very much useful in the other engineering concepts like evaluation of the double integrals, evaluation of the triple integrals. So these type of integrals are arising here. So suppose to evaluate the integrals which are in the type of e power ax into sin bx or cos bx. So let us take examples like integration of e power x into cos 2x dx and integration of some e power minus x into some sin 3x into dx. So in this topic we'll discuss about evaluation of these two integrals. So let us see the example of the type integration of e power x cos 2x dx. To evaluate this integral, we know the basic formula like integration of e power ax into cos bx dx. We know that this is e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. So using this formula, or if you know this standard formula, so you can evaluate integrals of these type of different examples here. So here if you compare this formula with the given example, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So let us use a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 in this formula. So therefore you can write e power x cos 2x dx as integration of e power x cos 2x dx as e power a into x, that is 1 into x, divided by a square 1 square, that is plus b square 2 square, then a into, that is 1 into, it is 1 into cos bx, b is 2, so cos 2x, plus b into, b is 2 here, then sin bx, b is 2, so sin 2x. Like this you can write, just it is a substitution. So for the indefinite integral, so like this, just you have to substitute a and b in this standard formula. So you'll get the integration of e power x into cos 2x dx. Not only this, so to evaluate integration of e power 2x into cos 3x, or to evaluate integration of e power some minus x into cos 5x dx. So this standard formula you can use. So simply you have to compare a and b values and substitute in that. So because these type of evaluation of integrals also very important. So not only just for the evaluation of this single integral, so other many engineering mathematics concepts, these type of integrals are arises. So this is for the evaluation of the indefinite integral. Now we'll see for the same example how to evaluate the definite integral. So for example, we have given the limits like some x is equal to 0 to pi e power x cos 2x dx. To evaluate the same integral between the limits x equal to 0 to pi. So as usual we have to evaluate this by using that basic formula. So we have seen that the evaluation of this we got here as, so e power x by 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5, e power x by 5. So it is cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. This we got for the indefinite integral. So definite integral, so the limits are given. So we have to substitute the limits here, that is upper and lower limits. Upper limit minus of the lower limit we have to substitute here. So substitution of upper limit means that is x equal to pi 5 here. So here x equal to pi means e power pi by 5, then cos 2 into pi plus 2 sine 2x, no, it is 2 pi, x is equal to pi at upper limit. If you substitute like this, then minus of lower limit you have to substitute here, minus of, so if you want you can take one flower bracket. So minus of it is e power x is equal to 0, that means e power 0 divided by pi. So it is cos of 2 0. So cos 2 into 0 is cos 0, so that is cos 2 into 0 plus 2 sine 2 0. We know that sine 0 is 0. Let us use that as 0 here, then close the bracket. So this becomes e power pi by 5, e power 5 by 5. Then we know that cos 2 pi is, it is minus 1 to the power of 2. So because we know that this is a standard formula, cos n pi we know that is minus 1 to the power of n. So cos 2 pi we can write it as minus 1 to the power of 2. So I have used this formula to write this one, cos 2 pi value. So it is minus 1 square, and also you know that sin n pi always 0. So since sin n pi 0 for n is an integer, so therefore you can substitute this 2 into sin 2 pi, or sin 2 pi is 0, therefore this term vanishes, plus 2 plus this is 0, then minus of, so e power 0 is 1 by 5, cos 2 0, cos 0 we know that it is 1, plus 0 like this. So now this is equal to 1 by 5, you can take it as common, then it is e power pi minus 1 square is 1, e power 5, and here we are having minus 1 you will get. So finally for the definite integral, for the same example, whenever the limits are given, so we got this as some definite value, that is 1 by 5 e power pi minus 1. So similar way, suppose coming to example 2, so if we need to evaluate the integrals of other standard type like e power minus x, then sine 3x dx like this, if they ask to evaluate this, so just now we have seen how to evaluate e power some ax and cos bx dx formula, no? Like that we also know the standard formula of integration of e power ax into sine bx dx. So this is e power ax divided by, it is again a square plus b square, so a sine bx, then minus b cos bx, minus formula of this is minus b cos bx. So using this formula and comparing a and b values here, a is minus 1 here and b is 3. So if you substitute a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 3 in this formula, so we get integration of e power minus x sine 3x dx. So that is e power, it is minus 1 into x divided by minus 1 square plus 3 square into a into, that is minus 1 into sine b is 3, no? So sine 3x minus 3 into, it is cos 3x like this. So finally it is e power minus x divided by minus 1 square is 1. So 3 square is 9, e power minus x divided by 10. So it is minus sine 3x minus 3 cos 3x. So this way we can evaluate integration of e power minus x sine 3x dx for the indefinite integral. Similarly, we can also evaluate the integration of the same integral. So it is e power minus x sine 3x dx for the definite integral. So take the limits are x equal to 0 to pi. So same integral, same way we can proceed and we can evaluate the value of this integral. So for indefinite integral, we got this as e power minus x by 10 minus sine 3x minus 3 cos 3x. Then for the definite integral, we have to substitute the upper and lower limits. Just now in the previous problem also I have discussed x equal to 0 to pi. So this at upper limit, so you can use x equal to pi here, e power minus pi divided by 10. Just now we have seen that minus sin and pi always 0. This will get it as at upper limit, that is x equal to pi, will get this as 0. Minus 3 into, so it is cos 3 pi, that is minus 1 cube by using the formula of cos n pi, so is minus 1 to the power of n. So this is at upper limit, minus of at lower limit, sin 0 is 0, sin 3 into 0, sin 0, that is 0, minus it is 3 into cos 0, we know that cos 0 is 1, let us use that. So upper limit minus of lower limit, these two values we are getting. So now this is equal to e power minus pi by 10. So e power minus pi by 10. So actually for this one also you have to apply, so lower limit here. So e power it is minus 0, that is anyway 1 will get. So divided by 10. So by taking e power minus pi by 10 as outside, so or if you want you can take only 1 by 10 as outside. 1 by 10 is common, no? So therefore you can take 1 by 10 as outside. So we'll get this as 1 by 10. So e power minus 5, already minus 1 cube is, it is minus 1, minus 3 is there. So this becomes 3 e power minus pi you will get. Then we have taken this 1 by 10 as outside, no? E power minus 0 is 1. So already minus sign is there. So minus of minus 3. So here you will get this as plus 3. If you want you can take this 3 also outside. So this is some definite value here. So in the evaluation of definite integrals, as well we have to evaluate the indefinite integral. Then finally you have to substitute both upper and lower limits. So this is about, in the 2 lectures I have discussed about the evaluation of some standard integrals. As I said, so the evaluation of the standard integrals like integration of sin square x, sin square 2x, cos square x, cos square 2x. Then other standard formulas like integration of e power x into sin bx, e power x into cos bx. Then if you know these formulas, then you can easily evaluate these type of problems like integration of e power minus x sin 3x dx. So because separately if you know evaluation of these integrals, so as I said, there are many concepts and many applications these type of standards, standard integrals are arising. So that's why these evaluation of integrals are very, very important in the other concepts of the engineering mathematics subjects. Okay, thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.